Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment.
In a world where skincare often comes with a long list of unpronounceable chemicals, embracing homemade natural facial remedies is a vital shift towards well-being. Chemicalized treatments can lead to allergies, irritations, and long-term damage. Natural remedies, on the other hand, offer purity, safety, and a connection to the earth's nurturing gifts. They soothe, heal, and rejuvenate without the risks. By opting for homemade natural remedies, we empower ourselves with control over what touches our skin, fostering a radiant and healthier complexion while minimizing harm to the environment. It's a beautiful journey towards self-care and sustainable beauty, one we should all embark upon. Welcome to a journey of self-care and natural beauty. In today's video, we're diving into the world of homemade natural facial remedies titled 5 Homemade Facial Remedies You Must Try. Join us on this enchanting journey as we unveil these DIY elixirs, crafted from the bounties of the earth. They are more than just skincare, they're a testament to the beauty that can be harnessed right from your own kitchen. Without further ado, let's get started.
Number 1. Chamomile Soothing Toner. In the first segment of our beauty journey, we explore the world of herbal bliss with a soothing chamomile toner. Chamomile, celebrated for its calming and healing properties, takes center stage in this natural remedy. Chamomile has long been revered for its ability to soothe irritated skin, making it an ideal choice for those with sensitive complexions. This DIY toner is a gentle yet effective addition to your skincare routine, helping to alleviate redness, inflammation, and discomfort. The recipe is wonderfully straightforward. All you need are dried chamomile flowers, distilled water, and a glass bottle with a spray nozzle. By boiling distilled water and steeping the chamomile flowers, you extract the soothing essence of this natural wonder. The resulting toner not only calms your skin but also imparts a delicate, earthy scent that invigorates your senses. Now that you've crafted your soothing chamomile toner, let's dive into the simple yet effective process of applying it to your skin for maximum benefits. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare your face. Begin with a clean, freshly washed face. Pat your skin dry gently with a clean towel. Step 2. Shake the toner. Give your chamomile toner bottle a good shake to ensure the chamomile essence is evenly distributed. Step 3. Spritz lightly. Hold the toner bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Close your eyes and gently spritz the toner over your face. You can also use a clean cotton pad to apply it if you prefer a more controlled application. Step 4. Massage in. After applying the toner, use your fingertips to lightly massage it into your skin. This helps in better absorption and enhances the calming effect of chamomile. Step 5. Allow to dry. Allow the toner to air dry on your skin. There's no need to rinse it off. Number 2. Coffee and milk. In a world filled with complex skincare routines, sometimes the simplest ingredients can work wonders for your skin. Coffee and milk, when combined, create a powerhouse of skincare goodness. Coffee's fine grains exfoliate, stimulating blood flow and revitalizing your complexion. Milk, on the other hand, offers gentle hydration and soothing properties, thanks to lactic acid. Coffee's antioxidants combat inflammation, reducing puffiness and redness. It also boasts anti-aging properties, aiding in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Milk, with its lactic acid, provides gentle exfoliation and deep hydration, leaving your skin supple and nourished. Achieving the perfect ratio is key. For a balanced mixture, combine 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 2 tablespoons of milk. This creates a paste that's not too abrasive yet retains its exfoliating and moisturizing properties. Now, let's put this beauty elixir to work. Apply the mixture to your cleansed face, using gentle, circular motions.
Focus on areas that need extra attention, like the forehead, nose, and chin. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic.
Rinse it off with lukewarm water, and pat your skin dry gently with a clean towel. Feel the instant rejuvenation, the softness, and the glow.
Say goodbye to complex skincare routines and hello to radiant, naturally beautiful skin.
Number 3. Yogurt and turmeric. Yogurt and turmeric mask is a time-honored beauty secret that combines the nourishing properties of yogurt with the healing prowess of turmeric. This powerful concoction offers a host of benefits that will leave your skin glowing with vitality. Turmeric is renowned for its natural skin brightening properties.
Its active compound, curcumin, helps reduce pigmentation and evens out skin tone, giving you a youthful, luminous complexion. Yogurt, rich in probiotics and lactic acid, has a calming effect on the skin.
It helps alleviate redness and irritation, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin.
The gentle exfoliating action of yogurt sloughs away dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and more receptive to other skincare products. To create the perfect yogurt and turmeric mask, simply mix 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt with a pinch of turmeric powder. This ratio strikes a balance between the brightening power of turmeric and the soothing properties of yogurt.
Start with clean, dry skin.
Apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area.
Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Gently rinse with lukewarm water, using circular motions to exfoliate as you go.
Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Incorporate this mask into your skincare routine once or twice a week to enjoy the rejuvenating benefits of this natural beauty elixir.
Number 4. Honey and oatmeal.
In the world of natural skincare, the honey and oatmeal mask stands out as a beloved classic. This simple yet effective remedy combines the natural goodness of honey and the gentle exfoliating power of oatmeal, offering a myriad of benefits that can transform your skin into a radiant canvas of health and beauty. Oatmeal is a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote a smoother complexion without being harsh on the skin. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture.
It helps keep your skin hydrated and supple. Both honey and oatmeal possess anti-inflammatory and soothing properties.
They can calm irritated skin, making this mask ideal for sensitive or sunburned skin. To create the perfect honey and oatmeal mask, combine 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. This balanced ratio ensures that you receive the exfoliating benefits of oatmeal and the moisturizing effects of honey. Begin with a clean, damp face. Apply the mixture evenly, massaging it into your skin in gentle, circular motions.
Allow the mask to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, letting the ingredients work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water, using circular motions to exfoliate as you go.
Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Incorporate this mask into your skincare routine once a week to experience the nourishing and revitalizing effects of honey and oatmeal, leaving your skin radiant and renewed.
Number 5. Last but not least on our list is avocado and banana mask.
Nature's bounty often holds the key to radiant, youthful skin, and the avocado and banana mask is a delightful testament to this. By combining the richness of avocado and the vitamins of banana, you unlock a skincare elixir that rejuvenates and revitalizes your complexion. Avocado is a treasure trove of healthy fats and natural oils, making it an excellent moisturizer that nourishes and hydrates your skin from within. Bananas are packed with vitamins and minerals like potassium and vitamin C, which can leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Both avocado and banana are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, helping to reduce the signs of aging. Creating the perfect avocado and banana mask is simple. Mash half of a ripe avocado and 1 ripe banana together in a bowl until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. This ratio ensures that you have a mask that's easy to apply and packed with skin-loving nutrients.
Start with a clean face. Apply the mixture evenly, covering your face and neck. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate as you go. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Incorporate this mask into your skincare regimen once a week to indulge your skin in the nourishing and revitalizing embrace of avocado and banana, revealing a refreshed and radiant complexion. We hope you've enjoyed this enlightening journey through the world of natural facial remedies. Remember, the beauty of nature is right at your fingertips, waiting to transform your skincare routine. If you found these remedies enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare secrets, DIY beauty tips, and wellness insights. And if you've appreciated our efforts today, please give us a thumbs up by hitting that like button. Sharing is caring, so share this video with your friends and family who deserve to experience the wonders of nature's remedies. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards healthier, naturally beautiful skin. Until next time, stay radiant, stay natural. Thanks so much for watching.